Today, join us at Infinity Watford. I'm Tom and I'm joined with
Ollie.
And today we're going to try and do a little challenge, a bit different for the channel. I'm basically going to give you two different price points, two different budgets to play around with a time limit of 5 minutes. One's going to be £500, the other's going to be £1,500. So you're going to be in the upper echelon of motorcycle kit. Do you reckon you can do it all in 5 minutes?
Absolutely, yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's go with it then. Starting timer now.
Perfect. Alright guys, so follow me. I'm going to show you the cheaper end of the budget, the £500 mark. So we've got in store the Spada Commute trousers, they're only £85. And then we've got the Spada Commute jacket, which is only £95. Really lightweight, waterproof, yeah, such good value for money. I'll show you some boots now as well to go with the jacket and trousers. And again, in that really good price range. So yeah, we've got really nice boots called the Spada Icon, £107. They're on sale as well. And then also, for a more casual look, we've got the Spada Striders, which are only £75 as well. And then onto the gloves.
You seem very chilled out for someone with a 5 minute timer. We've already got 1 minute down. You've only got 4 minutes left to get everything else. I'll get out your way though.
Awesome. And then these are the gloves. So these are called the Spada Junction. Again, really good value for money, £40. Yeah, bargain. Yeah, waterproof. And then come with me and I'll show you the helmets last of all. And again, we've got some really good brands in the helmets from all different kinds of prices. But specifically, we've got the HJC C70. Really nice design. They're only £150. And they've got an internal sun visor also. See, that one's really good. And then, for a flip-up one, we got the Spada. They're £140. That's the red, and then they come in matte black also. But yeah, such good helmets, really good value for money. Yeah, I would personally prefer the HJC C70, just got for full face helmets, just in general, and they're nice, comfortable fits.
We're at 2 minutes, 14 seconds, 15 seconds, 16 seconds, 17 seconds, 18 seconds. Wait, are you done?
I'm done, that's it.
You did that in 2.5 minutes?
That's it, nice and easy.
I'll be pulling my hairs out trying to figure out what to get.
Yeah, that's it. It's best to come into store and yeah, we can advise you on what's best to get.
What a professional. Right, okay, so we're going to be moving on. I'll stop the timer now. You're literally at 2 minutes, 15 seconds, but let's go for the £1,500 budget. I feel like this is going to be a breeze. I thought £500 would be a bit panicky, you know, but you've been so chilled out, so mellow about everything. But
that's
it's because you know your stuff, I guess.
Yeah, that's it.
We'll get a stranger 100%. Next time. We'll get someone off the street. But okay, so we'll go for the £1,500 budget. I have no worries with this one. Maybe you might be over panicked because of the amount of choice you'll get at the end of it. So, but yeah,
absolutely.
Okay, cool. Right, so I'll reset now, and then we're going to start it in 3, 2, 1. Off you go.
Yeah, come follow me again. Right, so now I'm going to show you a higher end option in the £1,500 budget. So we've got currently in stock the Oxford Mondial jacket. These are really good, laminate waterproofing. It's got open vents, so in the summer you can open them up. And they're the Oxford Mondial trousers, also laminated. Yeah, so now I'll show you the boots to go with that. And again, they're really good. I was thinking the Alpine Star boots, they are Gore-Tex. These are such good boots. Alpine Stars Web, they're called, £215. Gore-Tex, so you know that the waterproofing is going to be absolutely spot on. And then, following on to the gloves, the Risha Arctic Gore-Tex gloves. These are fully waterproof Gore-Tex, and again, really good value for money, really, for what they are. The quality is excellent and super warm to keep you warm in winter. And then, finally, the helmet. Got a choice of two helmets I was thinking of.
I'm just going to stand here in the way. You've got 4 minutes left, and I just want this to go on a little bit longer, so I'm just going to stop you.
Yeah, okay.
You've got so much time left, and I feel like you've gone through so much already. All right.
Yeah, absolutely. Great. Perfect. And then the Shoei Neotech 3. These are such good helmets. They're slightly more expensive than some of the other helmets you can get. But yeah, they're the most important thing to get right. You can have these helmets for 5 years, made from fiberglass. They're so comfortable. So yeah, that would be my choice, Neotech 3. And then one other really good flip helmet, we've got the Schuberth C5. And again, really excellent helmets. But yeah, saying all that, I would personally choose the Neotech 3. It just fits me so much more comfortable than any other helmet. Yeah, lovely. All done, Tom?
I don't know how you did that. I even got in your way for at least 15 seconds, yet you still did it in less time than the £500 one. You're some sort of whiz.
That's it.
You know, yeah, true professional is what you are.
Exactly.
Right, so if you're actually finalised with everything, I'm going to ask you a few questions. We're going to go over all the kit that you've gone for, so the 500 and 1500. Does that sound good with you?
Absolutely, let's do it.
Cool.
Yeah, fantastic.
I'm still amazed. You got all of this done in less than 5 minutes for basically both of them. Well, I guess you do work here.
That's it.
You know, this is your profession. But yeah, so if you don't know the price, this is going to be the total price point for everything. The £500 is going to be here, displayed there, and then the £1,500 is going to be around there. The total, it's going to be in and around there. Maybe a bit less, maybe a bit more.
Yeah.
I'm not completely sure of the total, but yeah. So if we start off with the £500 kit out. Can you go over what kind of made you go towards the things that you've chosen?
Yeah, absolutely. So the HSE, I really like this helmet. I like the style of it, the quality is excellent, and the value for money, yeah, you can't beat it. It's perfect.
Yeah, so you've got a drop-down sun visor, and that's just quite nice if you're going for something all-round, right? You've got your visor. I'm guessing you can do like a dark tint if you want to, but you don't really need to with the drop-down, do you?
You don't know, exactly.
But yeah, it's a super lightweight helmet. It's really nice. You actually chose a really nice colour, and for some reason, you've somewhat made it to match.
That's
you know, same with this one over here. But yeah, brilliant little lid this is. Let's go over the jacket, I guess. Yeah, the spider one here.
That's it. And again, similar sort of thing. Really good value for money. You've got shoulder, elbows, and back protector, all for that price. So I think value for money is excellent.
Waterproof.
And waterproof as well.
Yeah, that's
exactly.
And you said how much?
£95 now. Yeah, for the jacket, and the trousers are 85.
And it's waterproof.
And waterproof. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
And how much? Sorry. Yeah, no. Yeah, that seems really worthwhile. I haven't actually seen this before. I'm guessing this is from their last line because they've now recently changed their Spada logo and what have you. But still, it works as a good jacket all round. See, the gloves are also Spada?
Also Spada, yeah, and again, these are really comfortable gloves, waterproof again for the price, and they're coming at about £40 for the pair. So yeah, they're excellent. Adjustable.
That's well worthwhile. I'm going to try one on. Let's see how the fit is. So you've got a wrist closure system as well as one around the forearm. That is the right hand.
That's it.
Right. Oh, that's quite nice in there. It's quite plush, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice little bit of armour protection. You've got an accordion stretch panel up there, so it's not too tight, I guess. Nice bit of fabric for grip, because these are chunkier gloves. You're going to need better feedback on the handlebars. But overall, what a brilliant pick you've made there.
Money, they're perfect.
Yeah. Boots.
Yeah, boots. These are Spada Icon, they're called.
Okay.
And again, really good boots. So the £107 retail, they're probably on sale. Yeah, and style-wise, they're great. They're shorter, not too big and bulky, really lightweight, easy wearing, and again, waterproof also.
Brilliant. So a shorter cut. It is even though it's a shorter cut, it's going to reach that higher level because it says 222 on the inside. So that means that first number anyway is just dictates the height of the boot. So like your urban casual ones will be a 1, and then your higher, more like bigger boots, we get there in the end, it's going to be a 2, and this reaches that, so that's cool to see, even though it's slightly shorter than your average boot. What's also quite nice, which I always find handy for motorcycle boots, is on the inside you have that side zip. Just makes it easier on your life to get it on and off, especially when the weather gets a bit worse and you're trying to just live your life, but you know, you get moody and what have you. But yeah, full leather, nice little bit of kit here, and that's all for 500 squiddos.
Yeah, that's it in that region. Yeah, it's perfect.
That's crazy.
Yeah, really good value for money.
Now you had more money to play with in the second turn, and you did it even quicker.
Yeah.
Let's go over the reasons why you've got this kit then.
Yeah, amazing. So yeah, I'll start with the helmet, made by Shoei, so really premium helmet. Yeah, and talking of comfort, these are the most comfortable helmets that I find. They're absolutely brilliant. Inner sun visor again, yeah, made from fiberglass. They're perfect.
Yeah,
helmets.
I've actually got one of these myself. I've got the anthracite one, Amazing lid. For a modular lid, as it is, you would think it would be a bit louder because you've got the gaps on the side, but it actually isn't that bad. After wearing it through France and Spain, I can tell you, you can definitely tour in it. That's what it's catered for. It's a really nice lid. The aerodynamics of it, in terms of like wind facing, I was on a naked bike. I don't know if you ride a naked bike, but I don't feel any headwind when I'm wearing this because of the visor, and the overall shape of it is absolutely brilliant. And again, you can get comms kits for that as well later down the line.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't know if that's in the budget, but I don't know how much there is.
Maybe slightly. Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah. So that SRL3, yeah, it's definitely worth getting. Fully kitted out, mesh and all of that goodness. And again, plush interior padding, Japanese made. It's, yeah, brilliant choice, man. Right, jacket.
Yeah, so this one went for the Oxford Mondial, this is called, jacket and trousers. And the reason I went for this is for the price. The jacket's 300, trousers like 250, and they are laminate waterproofing, so they will dry a lot quicker than some of the other stuff you can get on the out there. And then, yeah, one other good thing, ventilation for summer. Take out the thermal liner inside and you can open up the
cool, brilliant choice on that front as well. And I can't believe that's around, what you say, £500 already for a laminate jacket. That is quite crazy. Normally you'd be looking at drop liners at that sort of price point. And like you said, laminates just make it easier to dry because you don't have to wait for like the outer liner or the actual jacket to dry up and stuff like that. So that's really cool. Same goes with the trousers, I believe, right? So
yeah, exactly.
Thermal lining on the inside.
Thermal lining on the inside.
Take it out in the summer, vents and all that goodness. And I see the gloves there, and I personally like them a lot, especially
Arctic. They're super comfortable. Gore-Tex gloves, so the waterproofing is spot on. It's excellent. And again, about £140, I think, for the money. Yeah, they're excellent. I find them really comfortable.
Yeah, if I can have a quick look at those as well. They got more protection up towards the forearm as well, scaphoid, slider, protector, extra bit of padding on there as well as on the pinky, which is quite nice. Again, just a wrist closure system on this, and then a wrist closure system on the back even. Super nice, protective, Gore-Tex like you said, so really top quality stuff. Another option, if it was me, because I have a preference because I've got them myself, are the Risha Gents, I believe. Short cuff version if you don't want something that's more gauntletty, but I use them throughout the last tail end of the season or the year. But yeah, definitely tried and tested. These Arctic ones are phenomenal. Bootage.
Yeah, and then boots finally, made by Alpine Star. They're called Alpine Star web boots. About £215. Gore-Tex again, so guaranteed that the waterproofing's excellent. And they're like a really nice style as well. Nothing too big and bulky, easy wearing. They're great boots. I love them. They're very comfortable as well.
Long lasting as well.
Long lasting.
I really can't say much else about these apart from they are really good boots. Alpine Stars, like you said, brilliant quality leather. You said Gore-Tex, it's just all round a decent boot. If you want a boot that does pretty much everything in all kinds of conditions, you can't really go wrong with these. A lot of top picks, and I'm not surprised because you are a professional at this.
Exactly.
To get completely kitted out. Any final suggestions or recommendations or things that you're torn up on when choosing between some sort of kit,
sometimes it's tricky, I suppose, with like helmets and jackets, but most of them I'll just go for whatever fits the most comfortable. More than anything, and specifically the helmet, make sure that's nice and secure. Nice and snug, and there's no causing you pain or tension or anything. But yeah, great helmets, Shelby's.
So we've got, this is only literally not even 1% of what we have at Infinity. This is again down to your personal choice, and like you said, everybody's going to be slightly different. There are going to be other things around that price point in store and online, so definitely go check that out. Preferably come into store because you need to try them out, especially these helmets. These are the only legal requirement we have as riders, so definitely, like you've done, spend more money on the lid and then get everything else afterwards as well, because at this price point you can get some really decent kit, can't you? But yeah, most importantly, helmets and everything else like that. Now, your head's going to be slightly different to my head, so different helmets are going to be a different sort of situation. You might go for a shoe buff. I know you were toying with that idea earlier, weren't you, with the C5 or the E2 and what have you, which was pretty cool.
That's it. Yeah, but nice helmets they are, the nice helmets.
Yeah.
Shoe buffs. Yeah. Personal preference.
That is. But yeah, if you did like any of this stuff, give us a thumbs up. Do come down to one of our stores, come down to Watford, get something really quick and easily done, which still boggles my mind. But anyway, comment down below what you think of the kit out, what's been chosen in front of you today, what you would have actually chosen in that price point, your suggestions and everything else like that. Be sure to subscribe, ride safe, and we'll see you all soon.
See you soon.
Under 5 minutes. Mental.